Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by picking a no-code engine and assets because the right tools speed every step. Open your chosen engine and create a new project now. Name it clearly so you never lose context. Import one player sprite, one tileset, and a single background sound to test audio early. Decide the core mechanics, movement, collision, scoring, and limit scope to one level. By doing this first, you reduce iteration time and make later decisions practical and focused. Once your project skeleton is ready, implement the core mechanics using visual logic blocks or behaviors. Drag movement behaviors onto the player, map keys, and test responsiveness. Adjust speed and jump arc until it feels right. Next, lay out the level using tiles, then add colliders and simple enemy states such as patrol and chase. Make events for pickups and damage. Connect level completion to a scene transition. Testing after each change prevents hard-to-find bugs later and makes iteration efficient. To finish, polish visuals and feedback, balance audio levels, add simple particles, and ensure UI clearly shows score and lives. Once stable, export to your chosen platform. Test the build immediately on target devices because platform quirks often appear late. If something breaks, isolate the scene or object causing it, check console logs for errors, and temporarily disable recent plugins or behaviors. Finally, iterate small fixes and export again. This cycle ensures a playable, stable game without writing a single line of code.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.